Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enter 100 more on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you're using Galaxy Z Flip 6 and you want to enter or to turn on 100 mode, so let's see how can you do that. So you have a simple way. You just have to simply go to your Samsung settings, just scroll down. You must see advanced features here. Click on it, and here you'll see 100 mode. Enable this. Now here you have two ways to enter 100 mode. The first way is gesture. You have to swipe down the center of the button of screen to enter 100 mode like this. You can increase or decrease its length, or whether you can also move it on your screen. Or the second way is the button. Here's a double tap the home button to enter log 100 mode. You just have to double tap on it and you will be go to 100 button once you are on home screen. So these are the two ways you can easily enter or turn on 100 mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.